For vitreoretinal surgeries, we have no financial interests. Mega V ring for PVD induction. Induction of PVD is one of the most critical steps for the success of RD surgery. Failure to completely remove the vitreous can result in redetachments. Application of high volume active aspiration over optic disc margin is the most commonly practiced technique for PVD induction. However, in cases where posterior hyaloid is firmly adherent, this technique often leaves behind a layer of cortical vitreous. Removing the remnant vitreous in these cases is a big challenge and is often accomplished in small pieces. Removing vitreous with newer techniques using sharp instruments is potentially dangerous. We describe a novel technique, the Mega V-ring technique, to completely remove the vitreous in form of a single sheet. Vitreous is stained with triamcinolone acetate. PFCl is then injected on the posterior pole. The triamcinolone stained vitreous is gently stroked in a centrifugal manner with the help of a diamond dusted scraper till a defect in the vitreous is noted. Stroking of the vitreous is continued around the defect in a centrifugal fashion so as to enlarge the defect to form a ring of 4 to 5 disc diameter size with rolled out edges. The sheet is then lifted from the edge of the ring using an ILM peeling forceps to induce the PVD. Once the edges of the ring are lifted, the potential space created between the vitreous sheet and the detached retina is automatically filled by the PFCl. This causes a gradual peripheral extension of the vitreous detachment in all quarters. Due to the cushion provided by the vitreous, a defect is easily made in it without damaging the retina. Enlarging the defect in the vitreous sheet makes its edge thick enough for the manipulation with an ILM peeling forceps. Unlike PVD induction with sharp instruments, it is possible to lift the vitreous sheet without going under it. This makes the technique safe in the presence of underlying mobile retina. Collapsing the eyeball to remove foreign body from the orbit. A patient presented with history of trauma with iron nail while working on a machine. On examination, the patient had VH. CT scan showed the foreign body in scleral coat much beyond the equator. One approach was to perform vitrectomy for the VH and orbitotomy to remove the foreign body. We performed vitrectomy to clear the VH. After a thorough search, no intraocular foreign body was found. We filled the eye with PFCl and collapsed the eyeball by reducing the IOP. Localized conjunctival peritomy was done and the muscles were brittle. This provided adequate space for the removal of foreign body. Scleral plug for optic disc maculopathy. A partial thickness scleral plug was taken from the inferior sclera and snugly fit in the optic disc. Simple modification for 25 gauge trocar and cannula system for ROP related lens sparing vitrectomy. Invertent lens touch is a known complication in phakic eyes, especially small ROP eyes. We describe a simple and inexpensive technique to raise the 25 gauge trocar and cannula for using it in these premature newborn infants. A 42 silicon band 4 mm in width is cut at a distance of 2 mm and then split in the center to give two small 2 into 2 mm squares. 3 pieces are taken for each trocar cannula. Holding it at the tip, each 25 gauge trocar and cannula is pierced through the silicon piece and is then pushed till the hub of the cannula. Using light pipe as a second instrument as an alternative to bimanual surgery and Chandler. ILM peeling under PFCl. PFCl can be used as a surgical hand during ILM peeling in cases of retinal detachment as well as PDR. Under PFCl, the ILM can be peeled in spite of the boggy retina. Removing blood from inferior aura to prevent post-operative day 1 dispersed VH. The blood clots are meticulously cleared after indentation. Use of 1 ml saline to disperse the blood from the posterior pole. Vitrectomy with BBG negative staining. After staining with BBG, in case of full thickness macular hole, it requires 2 to 3 minutes for ILM to stain. During this time, instead of waiting, peripheral vitrectomy can be done. With negative staining of vitreous due to BBG, peripheral vitrectomy becomes easier. Thank you.
I would like to emphasize that
Yeah, please go ahead. You
the
have
mega
time.
V-stick that we have described, it is quite easy and quite reproducible, even in people who are just new and don't have much of surgical experience. And it is specially utilized. It works very well in pediatric RDs, in RDs that do not have any PVD, and even in diabetic vitrectomies in case of re-RDs. And so that scleral plug I would like to mention that we have recently published our results. The results of OD pit maculopathy are much better if we plug the OD pit with either ILM flap or the scleral plug rather than just doing a vitrectomy.
Perfect. I think these tips go a long way in making our life easy. Any other questions from the audience? I think I appreciate whatever you have shown.
Thank you, sir.
May I have the last presenter today?